Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link DoorDash to Amazon Prime. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Amazon Prime DoorDash offer and open the official Amazon Dash Pass offer page from the search results. Next, click on the button that says Redeem your free Dash Pass. You will now be asked to sign in to your Amazon account. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your active Amazon Prime membership. Then enter your password and continue. After signing in, Amazon will display a permission screen asking if you would like to connect your Amazon account with DoorDash. Click the Allow button. Once you click Allow, you will automatically be redirected to the DoorDash website. If you already have a DoorDash account, enter your email address and password to sign in. If you are not currently signed in, complete the login process and continue. After signing in to DoorDash, follow the final prompts displayed on your screen. DoorDash will confirm your eligibility and provide the option to activate your free Dash Pass membership. Review the details and complete the activation process. Once finished, your Amazon Prime account and DoorDash account will be successfully linked. Thanks for watching.